Hello and welcome to another video of Wisefuss. In today's video, we are diving into the world of MidJourney once again. If you're looking to take your creative AI art to the next level, you are in for a treat. We are going to explore some advanced prompting techniques and unveil the ultimate cheat codes for MidJourney. So, grab your creativity hats and let's get started. Alright, so here's the deal. We have all marveled at those incredible images created with MidJourney. Did you know that many of these jaw-dropping variations were made using the same base prompt with just a tweak or two? That's right, with one small adjustment, you can unleash a whole new world of possibilities. Let's start by demystifying the magic behind these variations. Imagine this. You take a single prompt and change one word or detail to get unique outputs. For instance, you want a fairy in a forest with a horse in the background. Keep the main structure intact and modify one element each time. Well, check this out. Same base prompt, just one word changed, and you get a fresh outcome each time. It's like a treasure trove of creativity waiting to be unlocked. But wait, there's more. We are about to unveil the MidJourney Cheat Codes, the ultimate arsenal of prompts that bring different styles, moods, and effects to your creations. Picture it as the Game Genie for MidJourney, your key to unlocking a universe of possibilities. It is a goldmine of prompts that deliver specific styles, emotions, and artistic directions to your AI generated art. Realism, surrealism, cyberpunk, steampunk, and so much more. The choices are virtually endless. Now, let's break down some advanced techniques that will take your MidJourney experience to the next level. Buckle up. First off, let's talk about stylization. By adding --s followed by a number, you control the artistic flair MidJourney adds. Lower numbers stick closely to your prompt, while higher values infuse MidJourney's creative touch. See how the same prompt evolves with various stylization levels. It's like a slider for MidJourney's artistic temperament. Now, let's talk quality. The --q parameter determines how much time MidJourney invests in your image. Lower values mean quicker results, but higher quality requires more time. Balance is key, usually around 1 to 2 for optimal results. Quality impacts detail and polish. It's your call whether you want a quick glimpse or a fully refined masterpiece. But we are not done yet. Ever wondered about the chaos score? Use --c followed by a number to control how wild or tame MidJourney gets. Lower scores mean more predictable, while higher scores lead to artistic mayhem. Chaos score is your creativity slider. Want orderly or imaginative? The choice is yours. And here's the secret sauce, weighting. By assigning weights to elements in your prompt, you control their prominence. Highlight what matters the most, and MidJourney takes the hint. Weighting changes the composition's emphasis. Whether it's a fairy or a horse, you dictate their spotlight. Now, brace yourselves for the cheat codes. These presets alter the very fabric of your art, from TV shows and movie styles to materials, lighting, and even multi-dimensional experiences. These codes transform your prompts into masterpieces. Imagine giving your prompt a steampunk twist, or a surreal vibe, or a cyberpunk edge, all by appending these cheat codes. It's like having a magic wand for your creativity. And there you have it, a glimpse into the advanced world of MidJourney prompting. Armed with these techniques and cheat codes, you are ready to create art that is uniquely yours, pushing the boundaries of AI-generated creativity. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the depths of MidJourney. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. And remember, with MidJourney and these cheat codes in your toolkit, your imagination is the only limit. Until next time, stay curious and keep creating.